Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD cable from a Dell Vostro 1500. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you're going to do is slide the latches over and remove the battery. Loosen captive screws and remove wireless card door. Now unplug and loosen antenna cables. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Unsnap and remove the power button cover. Next, you're going to remove screw covers from bezel. Now remove bezel screws. Unsnap the bezel around the edges. Remove the LCD bezel. Remove webcam screws. Unplug the webcam cable. Remove the left screen screws. Turn the laptop over. Remove the right screen screws. Lift the screen and lay it on the keyboard. Now unplug the display cable. Unplug the inverter cable. And remove the LCD screen. Now pull the antenna cables through the laptop. Loosen the LCD cable screw. And unplug and remove LCD cable. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For keyboards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give our video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts.